Let's dive right into how you can invest $1,000 in crypto in 2025, breaking it down into three categories: long-term holds, passive income plays, and speculative small caps. And remember, I'm giving away $250 at the end of this video, so stick around for that. First up, long-term holds. This is where you want to put the bulk of your investment for stability and growth. A solid strategy is to allocate 50% of your $1,000 here. That's $500. I recommend putting 30% into Bitcoin and 20% into Ethereum. Bitcoin is the gold standard of crypto, and it's often seen as a safe bet. Ethereum, on the other hand, powers a lot of decentralized applications and has a strong community backing. Both have shown resilience and potential for growth over the years. Next, let's talk about passive income plays. This is where you can make your money work for you. I suggest putting 30% of your investment, or $300, into staking coins. Look for coins like Cardano or Solana. These allow you to earn rewards just by holding them in your wallet. It's like earning interest on your savings account, but with potentially higher returns. Just make sure to research the staking requirements and the lockup periods, as they can vary. Now, for the fun part, speculative small caps. This is where you can take a bit of a risk for potentially high rewards. Allocate the remaining 20%, or $200, into smaller emerging projects. Look for coins that have strong use cases or innovative technology. Projects like Polkadot or Chainlink could be worth considering. Just remember, these can be volatile, so only invest what you can afford to lose. So, to recap, 50% in long-term holds, 30% in Bitcoin, and 20% in Ethereum, 30% in passive income plays like Cardano or Solana, and 20% in speculative small caps like Polkadot or Chainlink. This balanced approach can help you manage risk while still aiming for growth. And don't forget about that $250 giveaway. To enter, just leave a comment below sharing your thoughts on this investment strategy. I'll announce the winner soon, so keep an eye out. Happy investing, and remember to do your own research before diving in.